I'm Clint Grover with Never Done Industries, and today I'm going to show you guys some of our highlights from the winter of 2019.
Been too good with failure. Quit trying, can't have been my swear words. Takes tons of work to get ahead. You're tired now, but you can sleep when you're dead. Lay it on the line, you can't see through me. Give it all I got, be what I can be. But with the punches, stand my ground. I won't back down, 'cause my work's never done. Keep pushing for number one, 'cause my work's never done. Let the hardness never attack. Let the time fly by, you can't get back. No one will seal my fate. You can let it ride or you can step to the plate. Step back and take a look at my world. I'm rolling harder than a rip girl. More drive inside than you think. You'll miss it if you blink.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host Clint Grover with Never Done Industries. I'm here with our winners,
Hayden and Kyler.
How would you guys like to know what you won?
Yeah!
You guys won the grand prize of changing the oil in the Super Duty!
Do we have to?
Yes!
Number one, 'cause my work is never done.
Alright, that's it for our highlights from the 2019 winter season. Don't forget to take a look at our website, www.neverdoneusa.com. You get exclusive Never Done gear. We got all kinds of different things on here. Lots of content, lots of products, lots of good stuff. Please take a minute to like the video if you got something to say. Give it a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more content from us. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.